Struggling with debt or looking for a smarter way to pay it off? The good news is that managing debt doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you some smart debt management tips you can start using today. First, make a list of all your debts. Include credit cards, personal loans, student loans, auto loans, and other balances you owe. Knowing exactly how much debt you have is the first step toward creating a realistic payoff plan. Next, track your monthly income and expenses. Understanding where your money is going helps you identify areas where you can cut back and redirect more money toward debt payments. A popular strategy is the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first while making minimum payments on the rest. This can help reduce the total interest you pay over time. Another option is the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest balance first. This creates quick wins that can help keep you motivated throughout the process. Using Nerdwallet, you can monitor your accounts, review your financial situation, track progress, and access educational resources that may help you make smarter final decisions. It's also important to avoid taking on new debt while paying off existing balances. Try to build a small emergency fund so unexpected expenses don't force you to rely on credit again. Remember, debt management is not about finding a quick fix. It's about building consistent habits that improve your financial health over time. And those are smart tips for managing debt with help from Nerdwallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips, budgeting guides, and money management tutorials just like this.